This is a story about a track so terrifying, so hazardous, that Sir Jackie Stewart christened it the Green Hell. It's a 24-hour journey through the heart of that nightmare. All great racetracks share a common trait. They challenge the driver. Spa, Bathurst, Le Mans, they're all legendary. But the ultimate circuit? That's the Nurburgring. The North Loop, the Nordschleife, is the world's most punishing ribbon of tarmac. Over 170 bends, altitude changes of nearly 300 metres, unpredictable weather that can flip from sun to snow in a single lap. In the Eiffel Mountains, the ring demands everything. Opened in 1927, it was built to be the ultimate laboratory for engineers and drivers. It cost roughly 14 million Deutschmarks, and it was carved out of the forest in just 2 years. On June 19, 1927, the legend was born. Rudolf Caracciola emerged victorious in the inaugural car race, taming the forest in a Mercedes-Benz K. By 1951, the Premier class had arrived. Alberto Ascari, driving a Ferrari, won the very first Formula One race on the original 22-kilometre loop. F1 stayed until 1976, until Niki Lauda's horrific accident changed everything. The drivers knew it was too dangerous. In fact, it was Jackie Stewart's 1968 victory in treacherous heavy rain and fog that earned the track its Green Hell nickname. Since then, the ring's relationship with F1 has been tumultuous, a ghost that only returns when the world has nowhere else to race. As F1 left, the endurance era rose. In 1970, the ADAC organised the very first official 24-hour race. Hans-Joachim Stuck took the first win in a BMW. Today, the N24 is a pilgrimage. Over 200,000 fans cram into the woods. On race day, the atmosphere is electric. Fans stand right on the track's edge as the cars head to the grid. It's a unique chaos that you won't find anywhere else in motorsport. Over the decades, the machines have become icons. The 70s belonged to the wide-bodied BMWs, and the 80s saw the screaming big Group A BMWs and Ford Sierras. And the 90s? That was the era of the BMW M3, securing 8 wins in a single decade. But the ring also has its quirks, like the legendary Foxtail Opel Manta, a cult icon with a real foxtail attached to its antenna. Owned and raced by Olaf Beckmann, the 1988 vintage machine completed almost every year since 1994. It was retired in 2022 after a garage fire, but remains the old-school soul of the Nordschleife. For the last 15 years, GT3 cars have ruled the forest. Since 2011, the SP9 class has been a battlefield for giants like Manthey and Phoenix Racing. BMW remains the king of the mountain with 21 total wins, but the stakes have never been higher. Today, Audi, Mercedes, Porsche and Ferrari send full factory efforts to compete. The best names in endurance, Estra, Katzberg, Vanderlyn, Vanthoor and Campbell are all here. And this year, they're joined by the biggest name in the world, 4-time Formula One world champion Max Verstappen. He's aiming to add the N24 trophy to his already overflowing cabinet in a Mercedes-AMG backed by Red Bull. The Green Hell is constantly evolving. Every year, new barriers go up and the track is reprofiled. It's the safest it's ever been. But make no mistake, one lapse in concentration and the Green Hell still bites.